we have two projects that we drive forward. One is the mosquito broker, the other one is Eclipse Stream Sheets, both in the same work group, in the IoT work group. So we had one project already in there. So for that reason, it was actually quite natural to join. And then we had another technology that worked really, really well with this project together with this technology. So actually to offer it in the same kind of way, to have the same user experience, to get it out there, basically, it made a lot of sense to actually first provide it in a similar fashion, so open source it, and then also to get it under the same umbrella there. And the big things that actually are there that really help, especially us there as well, is that Eclipse is very strong in the IoT sector. So in the working group, I'm not sure how many projects there are in there right now, but I think it's close to 50 or so, really big companies, as well as smaller ones. And there's really just a lot going on. So that's the right place to be. And then as a foundation itself, what also helps is definitely the reputation that it brings, and also to other users. So many of whom we don't even know. I mean, it's probably the same for Cedric there as well. You don't know them, but they're reassured. They have the security actually that everything you put in the code, for example, that you not only say it's open source, but they actually know that everything that's in there is also open source, which is very important for businesses, because otherwise they might run into liability issues or so. And that's just due to the whole process of getting an Eclipse project up and running, because you have to jump through a couple of due diligence hoops, so to say, to get it in there. And all that combined actually made it quite simple, and were the reasons, so to say, to join.